So in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to use Kinemaster application on Android phones. So let's get started with the introduction. Kinemaster is an incredible video editing application for the smartphone and with a easy to use user interface which anyone can easily edit their videos. So let's install the application first. First we have to click this, we have to click install, and the application will be installed shortly. If you get this error while installing this application, you must click on settings and then there will be an option allow from the source. You have to click on this and then go back and then again you have to install the application. I have already installed the application, so I don't need to install it again. So once the application is installed, you have to open the application. And this is how the application looks. So we have to click on this button and we have to choose the size of the video which we have to make. So this is for Instagram stories and this is for Instagram feed and this is for YouTube. We have to click on this and you will get a template. It is very easy to edit videos here. Here when we click on the media button, we can browse all the images from our phone and we can bring it to the video. And when we click on the audio button, and we can import audios from the phone. And if you click on the voice button, while editing the video, we can do a voiceover. And this layer is for the transition effect. So let's bring all the images. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and after we select all the images, we have to click on this button. And this images is not in a proper order. And if we play this video, this will be like this. So we have to first crop the images. We have to click on this slide. We have to click on rotate. And here we can rotate all the images. I'll do everything quickly. And after we crop everything, here we have to set the time. For example, this slide is starting from 0 to 6 seconds. So the first image will be for 6 seconds. We can just increase the time or decrease it. For example, I will just set the time for 1.7 seconds for one slide, and we have to just drag everything down. I will do it quickly. Yeah, I have done. So this is how it looked like. Yeah. And here we can add music to the video by clicking on the folder, download, and that will be yeah. And when we add a music, we have to click on this plus button. Yeah, and then click on this tick mark. And the music will be added in this video. And if you want to do a voiceover, we have to click on this. And when we click on start, it will start recording our voice. So I don't want to do a voiceover now. Okay. And to add images in this video, we don't have to click media, because we have to insert an image inside this clip. So we have to click on this layer button, and in the layer button there are different effect. Effect will be the transition. I don't want any transition because it's a very simple video. So we have to click on the media, and media we have to select which image we want to add. We have to browse the images. So I don't have any images which one to post here. I need some time. Yeah, I think I got few images in the download section. Yeah, this all are the downloaded images. Yeah, I got this image. Yeah, so this is a transparent image. So for this is my logo. I will keep my logo here, and here we have to extend the duration of this image. For example, if I want the image only till slide 1, slide 2 and slide 3, we have to like do it over here. This is the logo. I want this to cover the whole video. Alright, so I have extended it till here. It's overlapping my face, so I will just put it over here. Oh god. Okay, over here. I guess it's good. Keep it down. Okay, we can insert as many images we want. There is no limit. And let's learn about how to add text here. So when we click on the layer button, there are like different options here. Here when we click on the text, we can write easily anything. Hey, this is Shubham. And here when we click on the animation, there are like different effects. First, this text is not visible, so we have to like glow this text, and also full background. And like we can do it here. There are like many options, and don't click on the overall animation because it's worthless. It will be this way. So instead of choosing the overall animation, we have to click on in animation, and this is my personal favorite, later by later. Yeah, hey, this is Shubham. And yeah, and at the end I will just show, yeah, thanks for watching. Here I will choose a blank image. For example, I will go to media. I don't have any images right now. I will choose on this. Okay, yeah, it's looking good. I don't want to extend the logo till here. Yeah, it's fine. I will extend it, and here I will write layer. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it's all right. So I will just highlight this thing, glow outline, full background. Yeah, it's looking good. In animation would be second duration would be 1.5 second. Let's try something new. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, and I will also choose an out animation. Out animation would be fade. Yeah, fade will be looking perfect. Yeah, this logo will disappear here. Yeah, and it's alright, it's done. And nothing new to teach here. Here when we click on the voice, we can do a voiceover. For example, hey, this is Shubham. I will do a voiceover. Hey, this is Shubham. Yeah. Yeah, and everything is done. So when we have to save the project, we have to click on this option. This is not an exit option, and don't ever click on this because this is an undo option. Everything will be erased and won't get saved. So when we click on this option, it will automatically get over here. These are like my project which I have made. So if we click on this, and here we have an edit option, we don't have to edit it because we have already edited it. So we have to click on this, and it's looking perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. And after we review it for the final time, we have to click on this share option and make sure you don't do this high, because when we do this high, the size of the file would be like more. For example, like about 416 MB, we have to keep this low. Don't worry about it, it won't affect the video quality. And it's only 44 MB, we have to export it and it will take some time. Yeah, it's done and it's saved in my gallery. So yeah, it's saved in my gallery. So we can upload this on Instagram. Because the size of the image is this, yeah, we can upload this on Instagram. Okay, yeah, it's over here. Hey, this is Shubham. And we can easily crop this. That's perfect, and I don't want to upload it right now because it's my main account, so yeah, I don't want to do it. So thank you for watching this video. So if you have any doubt, you can just text me.